Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify address on Binance. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your Binance app and then log into your account. And once you log into your account, you'll be seeing your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. Tap on that. And once you're inside your profile icon, here under your profile name, you'll be seeing you are required to complete identity verification to access Binance services. Now, all you gotta do is simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, here, as you can see, if you are verified, then you'll be provided with option that says verified plus. Now, if you aren't verified, first verify your account and then tap on verified plus. And once you tap on verified plus, here under requirements, it requires your proof of address. Now, simply tap on that. And once you tap on that, all you gotta do is enter in your address by attaching it with a government issue bill like electricity bill or any other bill that clearly describes your proof of address. And that's basically how to verify address on Binance. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.